Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I've already done my eyebrows. I use Anastasia Dip Brow, and I am going to go ahead and list everything that I use in the description box below. Now I'm just going to use the Tarte Shape Tape to prime my eyelids because we're going to do a bright eyeshadow today. When you're doing a bright eyeshadow, it's good to use a concealer that is light so the eyeshadow pops. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set that with the Laura Mercier powder. This also makes it easier for my eyeshadow to blend out. Okay, so in with my favorite palette of all time, Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Urban with a fluffy brush. I believe this is a crown brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that just right about my crease and cover my entire eyelid. Okay, so I'm just slowly layering that up so that it gets darker, and I'm also not taking that above my crease too much because I'm going to put another color above that, and I don't want it to blend up too high. Okay, at this point you should look like you have a black eye. And now I'm just making that a little darker and blending that around the corner. Because I have hooded eyes, when I open my eye it doesn't show much, so I just pulled it over to the corner a little more. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Same thing. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this pinkish color called Jilted. I'm going to lay that right above where I laid the purple down. Again, I don't want to bring it up too far because I need that to be able to be blended out. Again, just slowly layering the color on. It's easier to add more color than it is to take it off. So just, slowly build that color up to the brightness that you want. Okay, so now with the clean fluffy brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend that pink out. This is why you didn't want to bring it up too high, because when you go to blend it, it will naturally pull that color up. So yeah, don't go up too close to the eyebrow because blending it, as you can see, will do that for you. Now I'm just going to go back in with that original purple shade, Urban, and just darken that up a little bit where I blended the pink. I just wanted a little more contrast there. Same with the pink, it's blended out a little bit, so I'm just darkening that up. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this color Revolt, which is like the silver color in the palette, and just use my fingertip to place that sort of in the middle of the eyelid. So I'm just pulling that silver up maybe a little bit past my crease. I like doing this because it's sort of the cheating way of doing a halo eye. It looks like a halo eye, but you didn't have to do all the concealer and all that to get the halo eye. And yeah, I'm just blending the sides out. Now I'm going to go ahead with my Kat Von D ink eyeliner and do the thinnest, babiest lines of liner. This is just to hide my lashes that I'm going to put on. Okay, Benefit Professional. I'm just going to place that on my nose and my cheeks where I have the biggest, craterest pores ever. Next, I'm going to go in with the MAC Strobe Cream just on my cheekbones. I just like the glow that it gives under the foundation. And the foundations that I've been using lately are super matte, so this just gives a pretty glow. There they are, Matte Poreless and Maybelline's 24-Hour Wear. Love them both, been mixing them together. And yeah, I'm just going to cover up all this madness, and I'll have perfect skin in like 2 minutes. Okay, for my under eyes, I'm going to use the Kat Von D concealer. This stuff you have to be careful with. It's very thick, it's very drying, and if you have, wrinkles or a lot of lines under your eyes, I would not suggest this for under your eyes, but it seems to work okay for me if I just use the tiniest bit of amounts of it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do my nose and my chin. I'm just going to go ahead and set that real quick with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I love this powder. She's my best friend, but she's pricey though. Okay, just a thin coat of the LA Girl Fiber Lashes mascara, because I'm about to put on some falsies. I found these at the beauty supply store. They are by INV Iconic Collection. Oh my god, I just love them. I need to go back and get more, but yeah, they are amazing. Anyway, now I'm just going to go ahead with my lower lash line and pull that original color Urban down sort of towards the middle of my lash line. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and add Jilted sort of towards the middle and connect that into the Urban color. Okay, I'm going to go in with MAC's Double Gleam highlighter for my inner corner, and I'm also going to use this as a regular highlighter. Okay, so the contour today is by Black Radiance True Complexion Palette. I'm going to mix Sculpt and Contour together. I love this contour palette. It's one of my favorites, and it's hella cheap, and it's super pigmented. Can we take a second to acknowledge that I have hair long enough on the side to slick back? She is slicked back. I'm feeling hella accomplished today and a little less bald-headed. Okay, NYX blush in the color Peach. I love NYX products. They are underrated still to this day and amazing. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and do a nose contour. I don't usually do this because my nose is hella greasy and that shit just slides right off, but I figured I would do it today. If you guys want to see like a full nose contouring video, then comment below and I can do that for you. Okay, a little bit of MAC Double Gleam to the bridge and tip of my nose, and the face is done. I'm just going to go ahead and add in the CoverGirl Melting Pout, and that is it. Okay, everybody, so here is the finished look. I added this long, luxurious wig that Linwood of Glamfam made me. Yeah, super easy look. We only used 3 eyeshadows, and I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to like it, that thumbs up button. Share, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.